Hey everybody, we're out here at Lake Pleasant outside of Phoenix in Arizona, and just running the trucks around today. We've got our 5.0 budget build here, new 2018 truck, and we were kind of having a chance to try out the new ReadyLift suspension we put in there. We did the 2.25 inch spacer kit, and then we also added these Falken Wild Peak all-terrains and some Boro wheel spacers back there to get it all stanced out just the way that we want. So we're on top of sort of a hill here. You can tell that we've got a little bit of an elevation going on. We did a little bit of a climb, and we've had a chance to really test out how the truck feels with the way it sits on the ReadyLift kit and with these tires, and gotta say it's pretty impressive. I really enjoyed driving it, and I really like the way it rides out here. It definitely hasn't lost much in the way of comfort. It's still pretty soft and cushy, cruising over the washboard stuff and some of the rocky stuff. But definitely having that spacer in there and allowing us to run a larger tire, this is about a 33 right here, helps tremendously in the realm of traction, because without a Falken like Wild Peak tire or an all-terrain or whatever you're running in here, trying to do this on highway tires is pretty sketch. We wouldn't be able to climb the way we're climbing. We wouldn't be able to get traction in some of the really loose, sandy areas. There's a lot of advantages that come with that, and that's one of the biggest reasons why we wanted to have a leveling kit in here, was to make the space for a better tire. So those comboed together have been really awesome.